What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete music or song from your Instagram post that you have posted before. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to your Instagram first. After going to your Instagram, you have to go to your profile. So make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I am going to show you so that you can remove music from your post on Instagram. So after that you have to find the post that you want to remove the music from. I'm going to click on this post. Here you can see there is already a music added on this post like this. I want to remove this music. So what I can do is click on this three dot bar icon like here. After that you have to click on edit. After clicking on edit, you can see here is no such option for music deletion. So what you can do, you have to go back. After going back, you have to click on this post and three dot bar icon again. Then you have to click on delete. After clicking on delete, you have to click on delete. So after deleting your post, you have to post this photo again without the music. This is the only way that you can remove the music or song from your photo. There is no other option that Instagram provided. So this is the only way. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.